Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat kicker toys for Bunny, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Twin Critters KittiLush Organic Silvervine Catnip Plush Toys. If you're looking for something a little more upscale than the typical tube-shaped kicker, Twin Critters is a brand to consider. Choose from 8 different shapes including wine bottles, coffee cups, sardines, and even unicorns. You'll receive 2 refillable plush toys in each set. While many refillable catnip toys have Velcro pockets, this kicker has a built-in zipper. It makes it super easy to empty and refill the pouch, ensuring that your cat retains interest over time. What really makes the difference, however, is that the toy comes with a packet of Kitty Crack Organic Silvervine powder. Moving on at number 4, we have the PetLinks Jeepers Creepers Refillable Kicker Toy. Made from thick burlap material, this cat kicker toy is designed to stand up against rough play. The mouse-like shape activates a cat's hunting instincts, while multiple fabric textures entice the senses. This toy is smaller than some, measuring about 4 inches long, but it's generously stuffed and great for batting as well as kicking. On the underside of the toy is a Velcro pouch. You can fill and refill with catnip. While some reviewers found the Velcro hard to open, others say it helps prevent the pocket from opening during play. At number 3, we have the Petstages Crunchy Pickle Kicker Dental Catnip Toy. Whether you have a teething kitten on your hands or simply a cat that likes to chew, the Crunchy Pickle Kicker from Petstages is an option to consider. The elongated shape is perfect for grabbing and kicking. Because it's only about 6.5 inches long, it works well for kittens and smaller cats. This toy features multiple textures, plushy soft fabric on one side and mesh on the other. As your cat chews, the mesh helps gently scrape plaque and tartar from their teeth. Inside the toy is a hefty dose of dried catnip and a crinkly material that makes noise as your cat kicks. At number 2, we have the Potoroma Flopping Fish Moving Cat Kicker. Kittens and active young cats tend to enjoy cat kicker toys more than older cats, but even geriatric cats find it hard to resist electronic cat toys that mimic the movement of live prey. The Potoroma Flopping Fish is one of the most popular options on the market, with over 44,300 Amazon reviews. Our own test cat was a fan, as was his pup sibling. This rechargeable kicker toy features a realistic fish-like shape and printed fabric design. It comes with a packet of dried silvervine you can use to refill the Velcro pouch and a USB cable for charging. Choose from 4 designs: carp, clownfish, rainbow trout, or red carp. And finally at number 1, we have the PetLinks HappyNip Kicker Meercat Plush Toy. Length is an important factor to consider in a kicker toy for cats, and smaller bodies require smaller toys. The best kitten toys are appropriately sized for juvenile cats, and they're extra durable to survive enthusiastic bouts of biting, batting, and, of course, kicking. This PetLinks toy features a cute meerkat design with multiple textures to keep your kitten's interest. It's made from a durable canvas-like material and stuffed with eco-friendly recycled fiberfill. The stuffing also contains a crinkle material that makes noise during play. Though the product description says it measures 11.5 inches long, that length includes a 3-inch tail. All in all, the body of the toy is only about 8 inches long, which is just right for a kitten. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon